be showing you how you can get highlights at home for less than $15. I am pretty happy with the results. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my hair came out pretty blonde. If you guys want to see how to get this look at home, then please keep watching. And that completes this tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot from this. I didn't include anything on toning just because toning is very complex and I didn't want to get too much into that and steer anyone in the wrong direction. Toning has a lot to do with how light your hair actually goes when you bleach it, and also what type of blonde you're trying to achieve. If you want a warm blonde that's more golden, if you want an ashy blonde. So I can't really show you too much about toning because it's all more personal preference. What I definitely recommend is that when you do head to the beauty supply store to pick up your supplies, that you speak to an associate about what you're trying to achieve. They will also give you guidance on how much you're going to need depending on the length of your hair and the thickness or the texture. I can do a whole other video on that if you guys would like. I won't be toning my hair anytime soon, maybe in a month or so, but if you guys are interested, leave some comments down below and I'll definitely try to get that video up for you the next time I do my hair. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share, and you can also head over to my website, thelyfestyleplug.com, lifestyle with a Y, not an I. On my website, you can find plenty of cool content. You can also reach me on Instagram and Facebook at thelyfestyleplug, lifestyle again with a Y, not an I. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.